I am Clint Bryan Pulvera. I discuss about exact differential equation. So what is exact differential equation? A DE is said to be exact if the only have this condition: a partial derivative of m with respect to x and a partial derivative of n with respect to y. So m is a term composed a function of x and y which is associated that dx of the given differential equation, and n is a term composed a function of x and y which is associated in dy of the given differential equation. So partial derivative of m with respect to y equal to partial derivative of n with respect to x. This is the test of exactness. So kani, if we're going to solve for exactness of differential equation, we're going to use this formula. If they are equal, the partial derivative of m with respect to y and the partial derivative of n with respect to x. So it means that the DE is said to be exact. So if we computed this to be equal in our differential equation, we're going to use this formula. The partial derivative of f with respect to x equal to term m function of x and y, and partial derivative of f with respect to y equal n function of x and y. So where f is the solution of exact DE. So let's try this to solve example number 1. So y squared plus y minus x dx plus x times xy plus 1 dy is equals to 0. So kanang solve this following exact differential equation. So as we know our previous video my previous video that I have discussed, that all the terms containing with x and y with the dx, that is m. Muna siya. Muna yung atong m. And then all the terms that containing with x and y with the dy is n. Muna itong n. So to solve this, we're going to test of exactness. So first, we're going to get partial derivative of m with respect y equal to partial derivative of n with respect x. What is Rm? So next tayo kay to solve this m day, partial derivative m with respect dy with derivative y. So partial over partial derivative of y. So ang atong m ani kay x mo na atong m. xy squared plus y minus x. So next kay pag-solve niya kung ano to ang kuan, we can get a partial derivative of m with respect to y. We will treating x is a constant. So and this is a variable. Kung nasa line nga variable mo sa ato kuan og constant. So can get this 2x y, then the derivative of y plus 1, and then x is a constant. Constant is equals to 0 minus 0. So mao na siya 2x plus 2xy plus 1. So mao na siya atong partial derivative, partial m with respect y. And then next ato sang pangitahon ang partial derivative n with respect x is equals to partial over partial with respect y. Ang atong n day kay mao ni siya x times xy plus 1. So or x squared y plus x. So atong kuanan ni constant kay x. So over sa 2x ano siya? Noun derivative siya y derivative ani 2xy plus x man 3x. So i-copy lang siyang y kay mao man siya atong constant x na siya. Sorry x ni. So derive ni siya 2x, then copy y plus derivative ani sa x kay 1. So mao ni siya ang atong partial derivative and partial n with respect x. So hence we have to proven that this given is exact, or we can conclude that this is exact. Okay, say man siya og kuan answer. Then pause. Then first we're going to solve solve the partial derivative f with respect x is equals to term m with function x and y. So ang atong kuan day df or partial f with respect x is equals ang atong m kay ano siya dali ba po so x xy squared plus y minus x, and then i-times na siya sa partial x or dx times it. df equals to x y squared plus y minus x dx. So or partial x dx ba. So ato silang i-distribute of integrate by kuan, then f, so mao ni siya ang atong kuan ng solution or exact TE. Then tara is equals to distribute na to sila by integrate na to sila kuan, then xy squared dx plus y dx minus x dx. Integrate sa by part as a dx. So, integrate by 1. So, f is equals to, constant mo na siyang y, so ato na siyang ipagawas. So, mahibilin ani integral of x dx plus, kani siya, constant mo na siya, pagawas na siya, then dx minus integral of x dx. So f is equals to y squared minus x squared over 2 integral sa x dx, x squared over 2, then plus y derivative integral sa dx kay x minus integral sa x dx, x squared over 2. So, pwede natin siyang times times 2 by side. So, cancel. Ano siya, ang f kay 2y squared x squared plus 2y x minus x squared. And then, sa pikas, ato sang pangitawon ang partial derivative of x with respect y is equals to n, term n with the function of x and y. So, ang atong n, partial derivative f over dy, partial derivative y, with respect y, ang atong n kay x squared, i-times lang na akong x squared y plus x na siya. Okay, mo na atong x times, mo na atong given. So, i-times this siya by side by dy. Partial derivative of x is equals to x y plus x dy. And then, both integral distribute. So, f atong solution sa sa bali sa pikas kay mag plus day ko diri og q y, or mao na siya ang atong constant or sa kay sa c, di ba, mag constant tag c ato. So mao na siya sa pikas sad ato balik i-distribute na to siya by integral. So integral x squared dy plus x dy integral. So f is equals to constant ang x ipagawas x squared, nahibilin kay y dy plus constant x dy. So f is equals to x squared y squared over 2 plus x y. So ato na siyang times 2 both side. So f is equals to 2 x squared y squared plus xy. So, or mag-plus na rin constant rx. So, ato both side na f is equals to f. So, first f dere kay 2y squared is plus 2yx minus x squared plus q and y is equals to 2x squared plus 2 plus xy plus rx. So, cancel dere. Same as that. Then, both side man ta dere kay natay 2. Sorry. Natay 2. So cancel na dire, cancel. Ang nahibilin kay ang atong Q is equals to 0. Ang Rx na to, mo na siya, Rx is equals to negative x2. So ang atong gamiton nga general solution dire kay kuan arita sa Rx, f is equals to 2x squared y squared plus 2x y plus ang Rx na to, Rx kay negative 2. Negative 2 cancel. Negative. So, ang answer na to diri sa kuan mao ni atong general solution sa atong Rx. So, kani diri ang f is equals to constant man c. So, ato ni less than c. C ito ni dira. C. So, sa pikas c ta diri. Ang answer sa pikas kay sa q on y constant 2y squared x squared plus 2y x minus x squared plus qy mo 0 na siya plus 0. So mo ni siya ang atong q and y answer sa general solution. So and the answer kay same ra sila. So it means it is exact. Sa akong example number 2, 2xy minus tan y dx plus x squared minus x second squared y dy. So first, kuan, di ba all the terms containing with x and y with dx is m. So mao ni siya ang atong m. And diri sa pikas mo ni all the terms containing x and y with dy is n. So to solve this we're going to test of exactness. First we're going to get the one partial m with respect y is equals to partial n with respect x. So ato sabay taon ang first partial m with respect y is equals to partial over partial y. Ang atong kuan m is 2x y minus tan y. So equal to, so kuan atong constant ni 2x. So ato nang i-copy ng 2x kay nam say kauban nga y. So derivative sa y is equals to 1 times 1. Next kay minus derivative sa tan y. So derivative sa tan y kay second squared y. So mao ni siya ating kan 2x times 1 2x minus second squared y. Second squared y de. So mao ni siya tong partial m with respect y. Next kay partial n with respect x. Partial over partial x with respect x. So ang atong n kay x squared minus x second squared y. So next kay derivative sa x squared equals to 2x minus derivative sa x kay 1. Kani siya mga constant pa ni siya second squared kuan, so copy ni siya. So ang answer kay 2x 1 times second squared y is equals to second squared y. So mao na siya ang atong exact we can conclude, or we've proven that this given is exact. Okay, same man sila og kuan value. So ato na siyang i-solve ang kuan it's okay. Di ba kuan sa in order to get the final answer jud sa kuan namtay formula. Kalimot ko kuan sa formula ganiha, so ato ibalik diri. F over partial x is equals to m, in terms of m, function with x and y, na ditong formula ganiha, and partial f with respect y is equals to n function x and y. So first ato siyang kuhaon ang f, partial f with respect x is equals to m function x and y. So ang atong m dari kay partial f x is equals to 2x y minus tan y times isa sa kuan dx derivative f 2x minus tan y times dx. So ato siyang i-integrate both side. So f atong kuan final solution nato f is equals to ato siyang by kuan distribute by integrate distribute, so 2x y dx minus integral of tan y dx. So ato siyang i-integrate, integrate ato siya, f is equals to ay pagawas nato ang constant. Ang constant nato dre ang y. So ang hibilin 2 integral of 2x dx. Ang 2 kay constant jap na ipagawas na siya. Constant siya 2y integral of x dx minus tan y kay kuan man siya kana constant japon. Tan y ang hibilin kay dx. So final answer is definition final answer siya sa kuan partial f with respect x is equals to m. So mao ni siya ang 2y x squared over 2 minus tan y x. Cancel siya 2. So f is equals to wala na siya 2 y minus squared, wala na siya. So tan y x, and then sa pikas both sa pikas side naman kay so mo ni siya ang atong, so napanisay kuan plus q y atong constant, di ba kay mag-add man ta og c, so ang atong ibutang diri q y kay para makita nato atong kuan next sa pikas side kay partial f with respect y is equals to n function x and y. Partial f with respect y is equals to ang atong n kay kuan x squared minus x second squared y. So the times is dy. So partial f is equals to x squared second squared x second squared y times dy. So ato siyang both integrate. So f is equals to integrate x squared minus x and y dy. So ato siyang i-distribute by kuan, integrate distribute to integrate f is equals to x squared dy minus x secant integral of x secant squared y dy. So ato integrate, ato siya ipagawas ang constant, f is equals to x squared, constant pa na siya, dy minus constant diri kay x Japon secant squared y dy. So next kay ang f na to x squared y integral sa dy, so y minus x copy the x, then ang integral sa secant squared y dy kay tan y. So ano siya, plus constant rx, and then ano siya, and then ito siya una nagkan on paper, sumpay na to siya, f is equals to f para to kuha ng qy, constant qy and rx. So ang f fikas sa y is equals to plus qy is equals to x squared y minus x tan y plus rx. So cancel na to siya, cancel kay pariham na sila. So ang nahibilin kay qy is equals to 0 and rx is equals to 0. So ang atong final answer ani, so c ato ilista ng f of constant c, x squared y minus ano to rx gamiton minus x tan y. Ang rx na to 0, so wala na siya, so mao na niya atong general solution. So mao din ang exact example of exact differential equation.